What's up guys, and welcome to this new YouTube channel. This is this is your home of tutorials, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a free YouTube intro using the internet only. This website's been going around for a long time. This is how a lot of people make their intros for small channels, etc. And I'm basically just going to show you how to do it and what the website is. So you're going to want to head over to your internet, and you're going to want to head over to this website called Flixpress. It's basically flixpress.com. I've been using them for a while. Flixpress up here. It says not secure, but I've been using these for absolutely ages, so you've got no worries whatsoever. You can create a free account. I'm already signed into my account, and basically you've got, I think it's 20 minutes worth of free intros on the basic plan. This is how their pricing strategy works. You've got the free plan, you've got 2 minutes every month of making intros, which is more than enough. One intro, what's that, 10 seconds maximum. But yeah, the resolution, it says 360p, but I can assure you it's more than 360p because I've just downloaded it in 720 and there's nothing wrong with the video whatsoever, so just ignore this. But basically, once you've signed in, made a free account, don't enter any details, go on automated templates. Then you'll see here it says free plan templates. You're going to want to click free plan templates, and these are all the templates that you can use for free on Flixpress. So you've got 4, 8, 12, 16 intros that you can use on Flixpress basically. I've made one for myself, but you can click here and it gives you a little demo of what the intro is. You get the idea. So if you've got like a Minecraft channel, this is a great little intro for you for free. If you did want to spend a bit of money, the pricing strategy, £83 a month. You get 54 templates in 83p a month. What is that? That's, you know, that's next to nothing. But you don't need that anyway, because you've got 16 free automated templates. And basically, when you want to go ahead and make one, so let's just do an example for this one. You click on here and click on the customize now, and then it will tell you to upload an image. So this is usually your YouTube logo, so let me go ahead and upload my YouTube logo. Can't remember, I saved it now, it's on the desktop. Here we go, YouTube logo. It will say please select one more image, because this intro has 2 images actually within the intro. So some of these will only have 1 image, some of these will have 2. So I'm just going to pick, I don't know, the channel art as well. There you go, I've clicked the channel art and my YouTube logo. Now I'm going to hit proceed. Then you'll see you can crop it down so it'll look better in the video. You're going to hit next, and it will tell you to crop down this one. Obviously this resolution isn't the best for this intro, so this intro probably is not going to look any good whatsoever. But if I'm going to hit next, just to so you get the gist of it. Basically your main title, so that's your YouTube name, so how, home of tutorials, like so. Then you can add audio. They've got I think they've got 30 templates of different sounds you can use. I'm just going to pick a random one, you can flick through them. Then you want to click create preview, and then click on view my previews here. And as you can see, this is my actual intro for my YouTube channel, which you would have seen before you clicked on this. When you clicked on this video, I use that through Flixpress. Obviously, if this channel grows and stuff, I will be investing some money into proper stuff to make it look a bit better. But this is definitely a decent way for a first-time YouTuber not looking to spend any money. So once you've got the preview, you click preview, so you can watch it, and you will see it has generated a video for you with your stuff on it. So you can see how, which is your main home of tutorials, and your two pictures that you picked in the left and the right hand side. I think that's quite a cool intro for free. It's a very decent one. Obviously if I had better images it would look 10 times better. You can adjust the contrast on them to make them look better as well. You can put products on there, whatever you want to do. Basically that's how you make a free YouTube video, guys. YouTube intro. If you did enjoy this video and it helped you out a lot, please make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to the channel for more how-to videos in the future. If you do have any how videos that you want me to feature, then make sure to either drop me an email at kizzlingbusiness@gmail.com, which you can find below in the description, or just drop me a comment in this video. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial video.